Hello everyone, so today we're going to present about a company called Jenawi Coffee. Coffee shops phenomena. Speaking about the food and beverage industry, we will never find the finish line. One of the most prevalent company is a coffee shop. At first, the drinking coffee phenomenon originated from a piece of the lyric of the legendary comedic group called Warkop DKI. Indonesia is the country that produces coffee with premium quality. It is not surprising that its resident also enjoys this drink. Coffee shop has become very famous because of its suitable concept. Jenawi Coffee was formed on the 8th January 2019 in Jalan Sareh, number 1, Kota Baru, Yogyakarta. Jenawi was established under PT Jiwa Lestari Karya, owned by the same individuals behind Jenawi. Behind Jenawi Coffee, the owner has different concepts among several coffee shops in Yogyakarta. Jenawi decided to use a VW Caravan due to the lack of an on-the-go coffee shop in Yogyakarta. After going through various processes, finally the coffee shop owner began to form a special team to develop a coffee shop. Jenawi itself comes from the word Gemah Ripah Loh Jenawi. In Javanese means prosperous and fertile land. The tagline is awaken the senses means to improve sensory by idea. Jenawi formed to enhance the quality of coffee taste and service.
Actually, the branding is very unique. They made 4 coffee store branches by implementing the Javanese phrase of Gemah Ripah Loh Jenawi, as I've mentioned before. The first store is in Jenawi, located in Jalan Sareh, number 1, Kota Baru, Yogyakarta. And the second store, the owner decided to move to Denpasar, Bali, which known as Loh Coffee and Eatery. And the latest store, located in near Jalan Damai, Yogyakarta, which known as Ripah Coffee. And for the Gemah Coffee store is still coming soon. For the next part, I'm gonna explain about the BMC. In the right side, we can see some activities done by Jenawi. And the fourth picture is Jiwa Lestari Karya. Jiwa Lestari Karya is the business management which control Jenawi, Ripah, and Loh Coffee and Eatery. First, I'm gonna explain about the customer segments. Jenawi use diversified market because not all customers in Jenawi prefer to drink coffee. Some of them tend to sip milk-based coffee or refreshments. And Jenawi also provides some snacks to make preference for their customers. Jenawi also focusing more on young generation. The price range is also quite cheap for students. Its ranging started from 15,000 to 35,000 rupiahs. Jenawi also provides selected beans that are processed by a company under Jiwa Lestari Karya, as known as Sunkan Roastery, which make it suitable for any coffee lovers. And from the interview, we sum up 4 value propositions that we can find in Jenawi. First is newness, second is performance, third is accessibility, and fourth is convenience. For the newness, Jenawi issued a new breakthrough by using bar above the car. Second is using caravan as a place for making beverages, while in Yogyakarta, using caravan is still rare to find. Second is for the performance side. Jenawi provide high quality beans every day by roast their own beans in Sunkan Roastery. Second is present this cozy semi-outdoor place with magnificent sunset view. Third is accessibility. Jenawi provides spacious parking space and the location is in the center of Yogyakarta. Actually, it is very easy to find Jenawi in Google Maps. And the last one is convenience. Jenawi available to purchase on Gojek and Grab for delivery order service.
Hello, I will continue the presentation. The Jenawi channels are Ripah Coffee and Eatery in Jalan Damai, Yogyakarta. Loh Coffee and Eatery in Denpasar, Bali, and also Sunkan Roastery. Sunkan Roastery is actually under the management of the Jiwa Lestari Karya. They supply the beans for the Jinawi coffee. And then the partner indirect, Jinawi using Facebook and Instagram for the social media platform, and also they have using Twitter also. And then partnering with Gojek and Grab for delivery order. They also have their own delivery order service, but most of the orders come from the Gojek and Grab because it is easier. And then OVO, GoPay, Dana, and M-Banking for its payment. And then for the baristas uniform, they are collaborating with Apronesia. And then customer relationship, Jinawi often give out promotion or discount. For example, they buy 2 and get 1 discount, the 50% of second purchase discount, and also 10% off any purchase discount on special occasion. And then they also occasionally hand out written survey to their customer so that they can get feedback on what the customer think of their service, product, and also environment. And then creating annual event to celebrate their birthday. The event was held by Mesta Creative, known as We Know Days. Actually, Mesta Creative is under the management of Jiwa Lestari Karya also. And then the Jinawi revenue stream. Most of Jinawi revenue comes from the customer dine-in order and takeout order. The revenue from selling coffee seed and coffee powder for the customer who want to brew their own coffee at home. And then the sales of Jinawi bottle shot during this pandemic situation. Jinawi key resources. For the physical resources, Jinawi owns a cafe building at Kota Baru, Yogyakarta. And then for intellectual resources, the brand Jinawi has been registered. Therefore, any product list under their name is copyrighted. And then human resources, Jinawi own at least 10 employees and 4 baristas who work shift. And then for financial resources, aside from the owner fund, they also receive fund from their shareholders. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ryan, and I will continue the presentation from the key activities. For the key activities, they have branding. How their branding is, they're using Caravan for the bar, and they also have tagline. Their tagline is Awaken the Sense. Awaken the Sense, it means they must provide coffee with the best quality. And for production, beside coffee, they have various kind of food and beverage to expand the market segments. And then they have Sunkan Roastery production. In there, they roast their own beans to keep the quality of the product. And also they have platform for the activities. They have Gojek and Grab. And for the key partner, they have Jiwa Lestari Karya and Mesta Creative. Jiwa Lestari is a business management that supervises Jinawi and all other brands, and Mesta Creative is agency for promotion and event. And for the food and beverage, they work together with Ngeli.id, and for the beans, they work together with supplier, and they also choose the supplier carefully to maintain the quality of the beans. And for another key partner, they have Grab and Gojek, and also e-payment, they have OVO and GoPay. And the last is cost structure. Jinawi cost structure consists of fixed costs and variable costs. Their fixed costs include their restaurant building tax, worker salary, advertisement costs, electricity, and water bills. While their variable costs consists of main ingredient, groceries, and packaging. And that's all from us. Thank you.